Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yarnabelle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the bottom left and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with an oval. Then on the right side, let's draw a larger oval on an angle. Now inside, let's draw a curve down and over. And then a circle inside on the right. Now on top of each eye, let's draw 3 small curves for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. And then let's curve it down and out on both sides. And then a small curve in from the ends. And then another point out and in. And then close off the head with the curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the mouth. Underneath the eyes, let's draw a large curve. And then 2 V-shaped points down underneath for the teeth. Now we're going to hop up to the top of the head and we're going to draw the pattern on the face. At the top in between the eyes, let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down to the mouth. Now let's move back up to the top, and on both sides, let's draw a small V-shaped point down like this. And then hop down in between the eyes and let's draw an angle out, and then continue it on the other side of the eye out to the side of the head. And the same thing on the left side. Now let's hop to the top and draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up, around, and back in. And the same on the right. And then inside each ear, let's draw the same curve. And that's it for the head. Now on the right side, let's start drawing the body. Let's start underneath the right ear and let's draw a bumpy line down. Then continue it underneath the head, curving it over to the left and up. Now on the right, let's draw another bumpy line down and curve it in. And now let's draw 5 more, going up and over to the right. And then 1 more at the end to close off the end of the body. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve out and bring it up. And the same thing underneath. Now at the end, let's draw a small curve up and out. Then for the inside line, let's curve it up, over to the left, and back in. And then add 2 more curves for the fingers. Now inside the arm here, let's draw a curve across. And then 2 V-shaped points coming from the top. And that's it for the first arm. Now let's move underneath on the right and let's draw the next one. Let's start underneath the body here and let's draw a small line down and then a longer one next to it. And then let's angle both of these lines over to the left. Now to add the hand, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. Another curve next to it. And then one more to close off the hand. And again, in the arm, let's draw a curve across. And then 2 V-shaped points up from the bottom. And that's it for the front arms. Now let's draw the back legs. Underneath the body on the right, let's draw a curve down, over, and back out. Then a bump next to it, and then one more, curving it all the way back up. And then add a curve inside the leg. Now for the last leg, let's start underneath the end of the body and let's draw 2 wavy lines down like this. Then underneath the left line, let's draw a wavy line down and out. And then 2 curves to close off the foot. Now inside, let's draw a curve across near the bottom. And then 3 V-shaped points along the side. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. At the end of the body on the right, let's draw a bumpy line out and back in like this. And then let's draw a few more, working our way down. And then let's work our way down towards the leg. Now on the other side of the leg, let's draw another bumpy line like this. And then one more to close off the gap. Now let's continue the tail by curving it up on top of the body. Let's start on top of the body next to the ear and let's draw 2 bumpy lines up. And then for the next section, we're going to draw a bumpy U-shape down and up like this. And let's do the same thing, working our way up. Now near the top, let's start to curve it over to the left side. Now to finish off the end, let's draw a bumpy circle. And that's it for Yarnabelle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!